Are you annoyed by your stretched out clothes? Are you upset about your sleeping clothes? Are you frustrated over yielded hangers? Are you bothered about your tangled hangers? Try out Wing Hanger. Wing Hanger will never let your clothes stretch. Just tug up the lower ring and take out your clothes right away. We even offer non-slip sticker pads for you. They will keep your clothes hung to the hanger. Plus, Wing Hanger is made out of a specific material that doesn't yield. Efficient storage system keeps your clothes from tangling and wrinkling. Not enough room on your drying rack? Wing Hanger saves triple times more. Dual rings above and below the hanger expands whenever you need them to be. Prepare your OOTD with Wing Hanger. Wing Hanger will tidy up your life with its handy and simple use. You need Wing Hanger.